Hello everyone, Selena Sensei here, and how are you doing? It's been a long time that I haven't done any vlog except for kanji flashcards. Today we're going to do word order, okay? So please stay tuned. Let's start. Okay, number 1. I'm going to explain along the way on how to answer this fast. Okay? Shukudai ga, shukudai means homework. Blank, blank, star, blank, iru. Okay? 1 is 散歩しよう。2、終わったら。3、公園を。4、と思って。I'll give you time. Okay, the answer here is 2、3、1. So this is the score. 4. Okay, did you get the same? So we have 宿題が終わったらね。終わったら、3. 公園を散歩しようと思っている。Okay. Okay, here's how to translate it. 宿題が終わったら when I finish my homework, 公園を散歩しようと思ってる. I'm going to take a walk at the park. We have a grammar point here that you have to understand, okay? So, 散歩しよう. This is 散歩する. And it's in しよう form plus 思っている. Which means, it means I'm planning or I'm going to take a walk. It's a plan you put in your head in advance, okay? And that is when you finish your homework. So, 散歩する, you change する to mas form, which is します. 散歩します. Take away mas and you add よう. This is group 3 verb, okay? Which means volitional, means I'm going to do something. 散歩する is a movement word, so it's like 歩く. 公園を歩く. But we have the proper wording, which is 散歩する, take a walk. I hope that is clear. Next sentence. リサさんは仕事が blank, blank, star, blank, 勉強を続けている. 1番. 1日も日本語の休まずに忙しくても I'll give you time. Okay, the answer here is 4、1、3、2. So we have リサさんは仕事が忙しくても. So even if or even Lisa-san is busy at work, so she doesn't take a day off even for 1 day. Okay. 日本語 okay. 日本語の勉強を続けている. So Lisa-san continues to study what? Japanese, 日本語. Okay. Without, so 休ますに means without. Or in other words in Japanese is 休まないで. Okay. So remember this ずに. Okay. Verb in ない form. Okay. 休まない. 休まないで. This ずに is equivalent to で. 休めないで. So she doesn't take a day off. Even for 1 day. 1日も. And the more here is even. Okay. Even she is busy. Okay. I hope that is clear. What comes before 勉強を続けてる is a noun. So because this is a noun phrase. So 日本語の 勉強。ね、日本語の勉強を続けている。If you already know this, you will know the other remaining words which will fit in the blanks. Okay, I hope this is clear. So we're not doing just word order. I'm explaining to you the grammar points that we encounter for you to know how to arrange the words. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Here we go. 今年の blank blank star blank. 去年 last year. Okay. 冬は寒くないほど. Okay, we have ほど. This is a comparison word. That's a big hint. I'll give you time. Okay, the answer for this is, so we have 2, 今年の冬は. So this is the subject of comparison. 1, 去年ほど. Okay, the answer here is ほど. 3番、寒くない. It says here, 今年の冬. This year's fuyu or winter. So this is the subject of comparison. Okay. 去年ほど寒くない. This is in casual form. So this year's winter is not as cold, 寒くない, as last year. So the grammar point here is ほど, okay, plus the nai form of an adjective. So it's not as cold as last year. Okay, so it's ほどない. 次の会議 conference or meeting, blank blank star blank soda. Another grammar point here, soda. I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is 2, 1, 4, 3. Here we go. 次の会議は, this is the subject marker for 会議. 1, 2週間後, after 2 weeks. 2, okay, time marker. So the answer is 2. 4番ですね。開かれるsoda. This is in the passive form. And this soda means they say or I heard that the next meeting will be held after 2 weeks or in 2 weeks. Okay, this 開かれる is in passive form. Ukemike. Okay? Will be held. So this is will be held. Okay, so we have the helping verb here, or we say this, it's be verb. Okay, so it is going to be held or will be held in 2 weeks. And the so here is a hearsay, which means that I heard that they say this. So it is an information that you heard. So it is an information that you heard they said so. Okay, so our grammar here is hearsay and ukemike, which means passive voice. Okay, here's the last sentence. 今日は午後から雨が降るそうですよ. Another one. Here we also have そうですよ. So this is an information that A heard. そうなんですか? 朝は晴れていたので blank blank star blank. Okay. 傘を着てしまいました。持たないで. I'll give you time. Okay, I'll give you the answer. So, ここは1ですね。4、2、これは2ですね。3。So, A says, I heard, so フルソーダ。I heard that it's going to rain today, this afternoon. And B was surprised. そうなんですか? Is that so? 朝は this morning 晴れていたので it was sunny this morning and so we have the reason here, not the expresses, reason. And so 1 傘を umbrella 4持たないで着てに着てしまいました。It was sunny this morning and so I didn't bring 持たないで my umbrella with me. 着てしまいました。So we have て okay, しまいました means I regret. So I regret coming without an umbrella. Okay, did you get it? So you try to watch again this vlog, okay, for you to fully understand the word order and the explanations on grammar points. Okay, I hope this will be helpful. I'll follow this up soon. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.